Good morning, welcome to the next episode of our... Good morning, welcome to our last day. Morning friends, it is our last full day of Magic Kingdom. No, take two. Good morning friends, it's our last full day at Walt Disney World and we are going to make the most of it. Today we're off to Epcot first thing. Yep,
we haven't been on test track yet because it was closed the day for refurbishment the day we were there. So we thought we'd go and try and get on it first thing this morning.
Yes, so we're just heading for the bus stop at our resort. We've started the day with a couple of strawberry danishes and we have a couple of muffins in the bag. We've got loads of snack credits to use up. We've still got, after buying those 4, we've still got 11 snack credits, one full day.
Yeah, we have failed completely with the snacks, but...
Yeah. We also have 4 quick service credits there.
Yeah, I think it's because it's a lot of food. Like, you think you'll eat it, but actually...
Yeah, it is.
We don't eat this amount of food at home. So.
No, it is a lot of food, but you know, and also you don't want to just waste your snack credit on like a Rice Krispie treat or something like that. You want to get the best value for money, so that's what we've been trying to do, and consequently we have loads left. So the rest of the day will be at Magic Kingdom from the afternoon onwards, isn't it? We've got 3 fast passes at Magic Kingdom today. We've got Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, yeah. We've got Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain. I wonder if we're going to get wet.
Yeah, and Splash has also been closed for refurbishment for part of the time we've been here, so it's the first time
we were able
to get fast pass for it.
Yeah, absolutely. And then later on tonight we've got dinner at California Grill, which we are really looking forward to. That's signature dining, 2 table service credits, but the food's going to be amazing. You get views over Magic Kingdom from there, and you can also see the fireworks. If you're there for dinner and you are there for firework time, you can watch it from either from the restaurant or they've got like a little balcony that you can stand on to watch it. We're arriving, well, the fireworks are before our dinner, so we're hopefully going to get that, squeeze that in as well.
So we got a packed day. We thought we were going to be fairly relaxed, but actually it might not be.
No,
quite so relaxed.
That's cool. That's just us though, trying to cram too much in. But anyway, we're going to have a great day. We're going to take you along with us as well, and we'll see you at Epcot. Bye. So we're in a queue for test track. It's a 50-minute queue, so we have muffins. We've just had some coffee. We thought we'd queue for this because we haven't, as Sarah said before, we hadn't had a chance to ride it yet, so we thought we'd give it a go now. The queue's moving fairly quickly, so it's not too bad at all really. I'm not sure, but some of these things are new in here.
I actually don't think we've ever, oh, that's really close to my face, we've never actually queued in the standby line before. I think that's why.
Ah, maybe that's it. Yeah, but it's looking pretty cool. Design our car. What vehicle type? Okay.
Yeah.
Draw your line. Oh, crikey.
Oh, wow.
What? Your head's going to be on the outside. Okay, it'll help you, I think. Optimize.
That's better.
That's better. Can I have a go?
Okay. Well, what did you do?
Oh, I like it. Length, width.
What's this about?
I like it. I think let's go. Yeah, go solar drive.
You want? I want a really fast one.
Fuel cell would be good.
Okay.
Let's do fuel cell. Right.
Are you sure about this? It's so ugly.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay, go.
That's it?
Yes. Oh. There we go.
It's so ugly.
Okay, choose a colour. Ooh, I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Do you?
Yeah. 2 stars. Hey, this is an unusual car. Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, you like those? They look futuristic.
Back wheel.
Oh. Same. Accessories.
Does it change any of the responsiveness? That's nice. I like that.
Okay, let's keep that. There's our vehicle.
She's beautiful.
She's lovely, isn't she?
I can't wait to drive this baby.
Look at these things. I didn't realise we'd put those on. Oops. Oh well, it'll be fun. Let's see how it performs. Blast on test track.
That was so much fun. Our car did really well.
Yeah, we topped every test.
Yeah, which is a complete fluke.
It's what?
It's a complete fluke. You know, I mean, obviously we both have mad car designing skills.
It's the stars on the side of it that made it more responsive.
Go faster stripes.
I think it made it more powerful.
Yeah.
I'm really glad we queued for that. It was about an hour in the end, wasn't it?
Yeah, about that. But it was worth it, I think.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Yeah, I've forgotten how much fun that ride is actually.
Yeah.
The bit, you know, before you go around the track, that bit is just as much fun. Yeah, it's good.
And for anyone with long hair or who wears lip gloss, don't bother either brushing your hair or putting on lip gloss before you go on that ride, because
it blows it all off.
It will. Yeah, your hair looks like this, and yeah, you'll just be a mess.
But you'll have fun.
Pro tip. Okay, we've just been standing here for about
10 minutes.
10 minutes,
yeah.
Waiting for the monorail to go past, so we can get a shot of the monorail going in front of Spaceship Earth.
Yeah.
But I did not use my time poorly. I spent some time putting on some sunscreen, so yeah. Be sun safe, kids.
It's definitely worth waiting to get that shot, isn't it?
Yeah. Although I've just realised there's a smear on the lens.
Oh, hopefully,
there.
Hopefully you can't see that. I'm sure you can't.
Yeah. Overlooking the monorail and Spaceship Earth, and they've already started setting up some of the topiaries. Is that
topiaries?
Topiaries of Flower and Garden, which is our favourite festival, although we have only been to 2. And that starts next week, so pretty disappointed that we're going to be missing it. But
yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? And the flowers already smell gorgeous.
They smell amazing.
Yeah.
And it all looks so beautiful. So if you're coming for the Flower and Garden Festival, you're in for a real treat.
Definitely in for a treat. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful with the flowers and you know, and the lovely snacks and food. Oh yeah. So it's unfortunate. We're between festivals, so there's a week's gap where they have finished Festival of the Arts, and then they're obviously setting up for Flower and Garden Festival. It's impressive that they can do it in only a week.
Yeah, it's amazing that they get everything turned around so quickly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Almost feel like when we were here the other day, those flowers weren't here and they've kind of bloomed up overnight.
Yeah, it seems that way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, the World Showcase seems fairly quiet today. fries. Veggie burger. We have our lunch from a little place on the boardwalk. We've got veggie burgers, which are actually really nice, and some fries, which are piping hot and delicious. This is a really good use of a table service credit.
Quick service credit.
Sorry, quick service. It would be a poor use of a table service credit, but it's a great use of quick service credit. Comes with chips, but you can swap it out for fries, and you get a drink as well. So this is bang on the money. And for once, this veggie burger is actually really nice. Very impressed.
And a lovely view. And also there's a pizza window to go over there, so if pizza's your jam, you can get a whole pizza, I think, as a quick service credit.
One could have a pizza, one could have a burger. Very good. Our lunch was absolutely delicious.
Really tasty. We had a really bad veggie burger in Magic Kingdom a couple of days ago.
Pico's Bills.
Yeah, Pico's Bills. But this was really nice. It's in a brioche bun, which is always a nice touch.
Really nicely toasted. It was from this place here, Boardwalk on the Go, and as we said, it was a quick service credit.
Yeah, or $15.50 if you were buying.
Yeah.
So actually, really good value for a quick service credit.
Yeah, even if you were buying it, I think it's still quite good value because it was delicious. It was really nice and such a lovely outlook as we were eating. We are now headed to Ample Hills Creamery to see if we can get a nice little ice cream and then head our way off to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, it probably seems like all we ever do is eat and drink.
It's kind of
maybe
true.
Yeah.
We kind of eat and drink all the time, but that's fine because that's why you go on holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This looks good.
So I got PB wins the cup and Ooey Gooey butter cake, and you got,
I think it's called Taste Like Honey or something like that. It's got honeycomb in it. It's delicious.
So this was a 2-scoop cup, $6.99 or 1 snack credit.
Very nice.